Hi team, how are you doing? So my name is Adriana from Group 2, the trialist, and we're going to review in this small video the types of research study designs. So when we have a study design, we're going to divide it in non-experimental designs and experimental designs. The non-experimental designs will be the observational studies, like the population-based studies, that is like surveys. And then we're going to have the individual-based studies that we're going to have divided in descriptive and analytic studies. The analytical studies will have the cross-sectional studies when we have the exposure and outcome measured at the same time. Case control studies when we have cases that are compared with controls without the outcome of interest. And also the cohort studies when we're going to follow the subjects and compare based on the exposure. We'll have the experimental studies that are divided in randomized control trials or non-randomized control design. The randomized control trials can be divided in parallel design and non-parallel design. The parallel design will be the most common one, and we can have there the factorial design or the two-arm or multiple arms compared with placebo. And the non-parallel studies will be like the crossover studies. The most common one, as I said, is the parallel study. That is, compares two or more groups that are established by random assignment. You can have two-arm studies or a three-arm study design, and that also will include a placebo. Then you're going to have the crossovers design. That is when the subject is assigned to one intervention, is followed by a measurement of the outcome variable, and then is assigned to the second intervention, followed by a measurement of the outcome variable with a time washout period in between. And lastly, the factorial design, that is a parallel design that includes two or more independent variables. So those are the studies that we saw this week. When we want to study a research question, we need to decide what is the outcome, and also we need to choose the best target population in the study population. And after that, we decide in which phase we are. So thank you and hope it was useful. Goodbye.